Just another quick update. I've just finally got my dashboard back in again. I've just had it repaired and everything seems to be working well now. So all my lights and everything seem to be good. So I've just put the dash in for a quick trial run to make sure everything is good. So I am getting closer to completion now. So the dashboard is in. The lower computer console is actually on my side. It's there. So I've got that. So I've got that to put in
right this minute
as well.
And I thought we were finally beginning to hit it off.
So it's looking pretty good. So just looking forward to when it is actually complete now. Door cards are going to be coming next week, so I'll be able to fit them. So yeah, all good.